Welcome to the new era of video creation with AGTube.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will see how to create AI-generated video. Complete guidance. First, let's see AI-generated video. Then we see how to create this video for free. Let's dive in.
Ever wondered how to bring your ideas to life with just a few keystrokes? Welcome to the cutting-edge world of AI-driven creativity, where the art of video production is not just simplified but revolutionized. Today, we're exploring the top free AI text to animated video generators that are making waves in 2024. Let's dive into the game changers in this space. These AI tools are transforming the landscape of animated video production, making it accessible to all. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, these platforms offer a wealth of features to bring your text to life. First up is Hour 1. It's all about customization, from unique avatars and characters to over 200 voices for lifelike narration. It supports over 100 languages, reaching out to a global audience. And with API integration, you can automate and scale your video production. Next, we have Media.io. It's perfect for diverse applications, from explainer videos to marketing and corporate use. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for creators at any skill level to use. Geeks for Geeks offers a curated list of the best AI video generators. It's a great resource if you're looking for top picks in the industry. InVideo Blog, on the other hand, is all about innovation. Here, you can discover new ways to generate videos from text prompts. Last but not least, Earth Prime News Media keeps you updated with the newest AI video generator tools. It's the go-to source for the latest trends in the industry. The rise of these AI generators signifies a shift towards more dynamic, engaging, and personalized content. With the ability to convert text into captivating videos, the potential for storytelling and information sharing is limitless. As we embrace these innovative tools, we open doors to new possibilities in video creation. The future is here and it's animated by AI, so why wait? It's time to bring your stories to life.
Now let's see how this video is created step by step.
Step-by-step guide to creating your video with InVideo. 1. Navigate to https://ai.invideo.io. 2. Register for a free account to begin your video creation journey. 3. Start crafting your video by selecting the appropriate platform for your content. 4. Choose the type of video you wish to create to match your vision. 5. Name your project to keep your work organized, then click Continue. 6. Input your video script on the provided page. For assistance, you can utilize tools like ChatGPT or Bing to refine your content. Seven. Set up your video settings to suit your preferences, then proceed by clicking Continue. Eight. Generate your video and allow a few minutes for the process to complete. 9. Select your target audience, decide on the visual style, and choose the platform where your video will be showcased, then click Continue. Once your video is ready, you can download it by clicking Export. 11. Choose your video download settings. If you prefer a video without a watermark, a payment is required. Alternatively, you can opt for the free download option with a watermark. Final step. Review your video to ensure it meets your standards and expectations. Feel free to use this revised script as a guide for creating videos within video. If you need further assistance or customization, I'm here to help.
So why wait? Join the countless users who have already discovered the power of our AI text-to-animated video generator. Transform your text into captivating videos that will grab your audience's attention and leave them wanting more. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to create amazing videos with our platform.